Nayus Corner, Nayus Corner. Come on, everyone. We'll learn and we'll all have some fun. Let's go!
Welcome to Nayus Corner. I am Danana, and this is
ZIEVS.
Yay! Today is Wacky Wednesday, and we're gonna do some fun experiments. You wanna come join us? Yay! Awesome. So ZIEVS, can you tell us what we have in front of us today?
Some water, colored pencils, and a big bowl.
But you missed something. What did ZIEVS miss?
Packets.
What are these packets called? They're called Ziploc bags. Yay! Good job. High five.
We have 3 Ziploc bags.
3. We have 3. So, what do you think we're gonna do with all of these things today, ZIEVS?
13 pencils. We have 2 glasses of water, 5 coloring,
And?
food coloring, 1 big bowl.
Wow! Great job! Thank you for counting all of that for us. Now, can you tell me what you think we're gonna do with these things today?
A wacky experiment.
Oh, wacky! But what could we possibly do with all this stuff?
I don't know.
All right, then let's find out. Let's do it. Do you want to find out?
Yeah.
All right. So first step. Open these doors.
Pour it in. I can pour it in the bowl.
You can? Well, we're actually not pouring in the bowl. The first thing I need you to do is select 2 beautiful food colors that we have. What's he gonna pick? What color is that?
Pink.
And what's the second color you're gonna pick?
Yellow.
Yellow. Wow, those are awesome colors. So for the first one, you can take 1 food coloring and drop 2 drops into the water. There you go. Oh, you gotta open the cap first. Is that enough? How about we close the lid and shake, shake, shake. You wanna close this lid? I'll close that one for you. Try to close that lid. Tight, you gotta close it tight. Shake, shake, shake. Keep shaking, keep shaking, keep shaking, shake, shake, shake that bacon. Yay!
Yellow.
It's yellow. And then, what about this one? You wanna put some pink in there?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's see you do it. 1 and 2. Good job. Oh, I think that's purple. That's okay. All colors are awesome. Here you go. There's the lid. I'll take care of that one for you.
And we'll save this and see what color it becomes.
Let's do it. Yay! Good job. That's awesome. Shake, 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 shake. Yay!
Purple.
Yay!
Purple.
Awesome.
Should we mix the colors together?
You know what? We could probably do that, but you want to do the experiment first?
Yeah, a little bit of that.
So the
and
reason-
see what color it is now.
Awesome. So we have these. So I want you to pour 1 color into here. Whichever color you'd like first. That's why we have the bowl, so we don't get dirty. All right, go for it. Wow, awesome. Now, you can ask an adult for help. You're gonna seal. Oh, you're gonna seal the Ziploc all the way through. All the way through.
Yay!
Yep, that's pretty sealed to me. We'll keep that one side. And now it's for the other one's turn. Alright. A little bit too tight, but that's okay. Go for it, ZIEVS. Pour, 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 pour. Oh no! It's okay. It's okay.
Pour that to the chocolate board.
Will that look okay to you?
Yeah.
Awesome! We still need the big bowl though, so let's get to the experiment. Now, it's gonna be a pretty cool one. We have all of these pointy pencils. So what do you think we're gonna do? We are going to try to play this experiment called Poke the Baggie.
And make it rip.
Oh, hold on. What do you think's gonna happen? First, you gotta tell me.
It'll rip and all that will pour
way through.
Well,
Let's go ahead and poke it all the way through. Oh. Why isn't any of the water coming out?
The pencil blocks the fluids of the water coming out.
Very good. He is right. Well, what happens is the plastic is made of something called polymers. They're little chains that squeeze on tight to each other normally. But when you poke the pencil through, they stick onto the pencil instead. That way they create a seal, so none of the water can come out. You want to try poking more pencils in there?
Yeah!
All right, let's try it. What?
Not one drop came out.
No, even one drop. You want to try another one?
I'll just make it out of one drop.
Whoa, that's so cool, Zia. Look at all those polymers sticking to each other.
All the pencils.
Wow, go for it. Do it. I think that's awesome. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
Wow. What if we try it with the yellow one? What do you think will happen? You want to put some in the yellow one too?
Let's see what will happen.
Wow. There's how many pencils in there so far?
5.
Can you count them for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, and this is 6. All right, you said there was 12 pencils. Let's try out on some yellow one. I think he's getting a little bit lonely. No water coming out. How are you doing that? Are you a magician? Do you remember the word I taught you about the chains that are inside?
Yeah, they grab the pencils tightly whenever they make one go.
And that way the water doesn't come out. All right, Zia, do you want to tell our friends a little bit of a fact?
Yes.
Awesome.
Did you know, out of all the water on Earth, only 3% is fresh water.
Yay! Awesome! Only 3%? That's crazy! He's so silly! Alright, now Ziev is the next part of our experiment. What do you think is going to happen when we pull all the pencils out?
Let's see.
Yay! Let's see! There's so much water coming out! Oh no! Now what do you think is happening?
The water's leaking.
Why is the water leaking? Let's do it out of this one. Why is it leaking? Remember we talked about all these little chains? Now the chains don't have anything to hold on to, so all the water's coming pouring out. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Do you want to tell them another fun fact about water?
Yeah.
All right. Tell them.
Did you know that our brain is made up of 75% water?
Wow! Thanks for telling them that cool fact, Zia. Did you learn something new today with our experiment?